Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Julia. Otherwise, welcome back to Makeup with Time with Julia. In today's video guys, I have a new eyeshadow here. I just removed it from packaging. So this eyeshadow is from a brand called Afflano. I have used their eyeshadow before. It was blue, and one is called Dream Purple, the other one is called, I can't remember, it's blue and purple. I bought it from Amazon. It was £50 each. So I reviewed the eyeshadow. It was last year. I remember I made sure I said all this, small brand that people doesn't really talk about, I would like to, bring them to my channel and show you guys. So yes, I followed this brand on Instagram, and they announced it last week that they're coming out with this Halloween collection eyeshadow. So here is the back of the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow palette actually have a name. So she's called Catrine, La Catrine, 54 shade La Catrine makeup palette. When you open La Catrine, okay, La Catrine has it got a mirror. It have this Halloween, some stuff going on. My daughter was saying to recreate this. I said maybe for Halloween I'll try, but I'm not promising. It's big. It's between the size on a pan is reasonable. It's not too small and it's also not too big. If you've been watching me now for over a year now, nearly 2 years, I don't do swatches. Swatches is not my thing. I just don't vibe with swatches. Oh, it's fluffy. This shade is fluffy. This one is glitter, but chunky glitter. Oh, this one is blended shimmer, fluffy again. I'll put them back in my hand. Okay, let's start with this and this. Shut up you, and this and this. I am liking this so far. Let me show you. I hope this has the camera washed me out again. Stay focused. I've done this and this and this. So I'll do this. This glitter, pressed glitter, but chunky pressed glitter. This will become very handy. You know that day you want glitter on your eyelid. Can you see that? The effort I have to put on just to give you some swatches is overwhelming. Sounds like Donald Trump, eh? It cost me £21 on Amazon and it was Prime. He arrived the very following day. He was here. By the way guys, I just want to take this moment to thank you for 200 subscribers. 200 of you decided to subscribe to me. Nobody. Hey, thank you. Ultimate Eye Base from Revolution. This is £5. And the shade I'm using today, I got 2 of these. The shade I'm using today is light. I'm gonna work with this row. I'm gonna use the matte shade from here. I want to do red with these 2 shades. Is very similar. Mix them together. That is the word. Corridor, sun size. We're gonna go red. Okay, so far so good. I have all the maximum pigment. Blend slightly, not too much, because I'm going to use a different shade to blend it well. This is the two shade I have used so far. Use this shade to blend it out. Let's see how it goes. The shade called Fist. Let's see how this will go. Oh, this is fire. What? What? This shade is not. You see the way it's showing? Oh my days. You know when you're gonna do pink, like all pink, this will become a very handy. Oh no, I don't need any other shade. These two will do me. This is gorgeous. Guys, this is stunning. This baby pink shade, this shade right here, with the two shades I have used. Oh my days. Okay, so I need to dip this area now. Now it's time to blend now. I'm using that same two shade I used previously to dip this red. Just 3 shades so far. I am loving it. You can see my eyeshadow from the moon. Oh guys, one thing I noticed about this palette is it doesn't have like black dark shade, like black matte shade to create because this is green and this is blue. That is the only one thing. Okay, I will darken it. I said I will darken my outer V either with blue or green. I do green look a lot, but today I think I'll do it with blue, even though I'm dying to use green, but I'll do it with this blue color. So I will just apply this blue right here, kind of stretch it forward so I can have a different vibe. Like it. Now we go back in with the two shades I have used before. Just kind of, yes, make this area fade-ish, well, diffuse-ish. You see this pressed glitter right here, this 3 jelly bit whatever, I want to use it. Yeah, glitter. Julia, who that eye? Don't do glitter. You don't learn. Hey, me, I'm liking this so far. I don't know about you, but we're gonna have to let this stay on my skin. Like, you girl, you have to stay. You have to stay, please. It seems to be okay. This eyeliner is from Rimmel. Guys, it's so good. 3 for 2. Both is $5.99 each. It's Rimmel. So creamy. I'll go in with this blue for my bottom lash. I'll see how it go. This is how I do my bottom lash. I will dab just exactly. I will go in with that baby pink to diffuse now. Oh, for my inner corner, I'm not going to do something crazy. I will just go in with this shade right here. Okay, I will use No Makeup No Game eyeliner. This crystal from Amazon. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna use this brush to apply glue. Just gonna pick them up. I've done this look before, but sadly didn't make it to YouTube. The only picture that remind me of this look, that was ages ago. This is next level. This is next level. Okay, now that I've done this, let's go to the other eye. I'll do the other eye off camera. All right, so now let's go back to this eyeshadow palette, guys. Me, I am in love. The shade I used today, there is no one shade I used today I can say anything bad about. Okay, you were here, you were here when I use this shade right here and this one, mix it together at the beginning. Then I move on with this pink. This baby pink blew me away. As you just applying it, you can see the pigment just showing. We have a very, very long way to go when it comes to this eyeshadow. Look at this beauty. 21 pounds. You know, with this brand and the other brand that you guys know of, this is the highest I've ever paid. It's usually a case of 5 pounds, 6 pounds, 7.99, you know, 10 pounds, 14 pounds. You know, this is the highest I've ever paid. This is 21 pounds on Prime. But they usually make their eyeshadow also available on AliExpress. On AliExpress, when they start selling this on AliExpress, if you are familiar, you might find it cheaper there. You know, you might find it cheaper there. I've never tried AliExpress eyeshadow before. I'm looking forward to that journey in future, you know, to buy eyeshadow from AliExpress and try it on. I know all these brands, they all are also selling on AliExpress. I'm looking at the monitor instead of the camera. Hell, Jesus Christ. Okay guys, that's it for today's video, and I hope to see you all on my very next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you. Good night and God bless wherever you are.